We have 380,530 defaulters. And how much are they holding? 42 billion. If we had this 42 billion today, it would be a very good story because we will not be talking about any deficit anyway. This is a pain point. And out of these 380, 109 were able to, actually their loans matured this year. That is the most current. So if you remove from the 380 and remove 109 students, it gives you a difference of about 270,000 students from the previous years, the current cohort that matured this year, and you can see the graduations we have had is 109,000 students who have just finished university. Now, the repayment status per profession, you can see the best payers over the years have been teachers. And mainly this is because they pay through TSC. I must commend that TSC has been very, very supportive, and they have been able to support this cause. Today, every month, we are getting over 200 million check from TSC. Out of the 500, I say 200 million is from TSC.